Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower door hinge on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the hinge cover. Then use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the hinge to the cabinet. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the hinge straight up to remove. Have an assistant help you to lift the door straight up off the bottom hinge. If still intact, remove the washer from the hinge pin. Use a 5/16" socket or wrench to help unthread the hinge pin. Now use a 3/8" socket or wrench to unthread the mounting screws, securing the old hinge to the frame. Install the new lower hinge by aligning it on the frame, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Reinstall the hinge pin by threading it into the bracket. Slide on the washer and apply some additional grease to the pin if necessary. Realign the door on the pin. Replace the top hinge, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Replace the hinge cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.